Hey guys, this is iPhone Hacker 2010, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Installous. So first you want to go to Cydia, wait for it to load. I apologize if you have to wait a really long time for Cydia to load. Okay, so now you want to go to Manage. Wait for this to load. I'll just come back when this gets done. Okay, now it's ready. So you want to go to Sources, Edit, Add, then you want to type in Cydia dot hack ULO .us, and I will put this link in the description so you don't have to worry about pausing and all that. So then you'll hit add source, but I've already got it. There it is. And after that you want to go to search. In the search bar you'll type in Installous. And there it is. So you'll go ahead and tap on that. And then it will say install, and then you'll hit install, then confirm. Mine says modify because I already have it. So after it gets done installing, you hit home, and there it is. There is Installous. There'll be a follow-up video on how to use Installous. So I'll see you guys later, and I will be sure to check out my website, iPhonehacker2010.tk. So I'll see you guys later.